Welcome back to another Sprinkler Supply Store product overview. I'm Sprinkler Nerd Andy, and in this video, we're gonna take a look. I got the bag here. Hunter's 3/4 inch anti-siphon valve. This is the one that has the 40 PSI regulator and the 150 mesh stainless screen. So the first part of this product is the anti-siphon valve, and the anti-siphon valve consists of a Hunter angled valve where the water goes up and through to the anti-siphon portion. And it comes with a standard AC solenoid. You can remove this solenoid and replace it with a DC latching if you'd like. And then just as a reminder, there is an on-off diagram on top of the solenoid. So any standard solenoid, traditionally, you can grab onto the solenoid and you can turn the valve on and off just by doing a quarter turn on the solenoid. Just remember to always leave the valve in the off position, even though that's kind of confusing because you'd think off means off. Off means off in the manual mode, but it actually means on in the electric mode. So anyway, that's kind of a side point, but comes with Hunter's angled valve. And then there is the bleeder screw right here. So you can also turn the valve on and off by a quick twist of the bleeder screw. Keep in mind a little bit of water will bleed out, but that will also activate the valve. And then this is a flow control handle. Yeah, it's very tight, so I can't twist it, but that you can use that to adjust the spring on the diaphragm, and you can actually manually completely isolate off the valve. And then on this portion, you have the anti-siphon, and what the anti-siphon valve is for is to prevent the backflow of water. So water can only flow in one direction, which is across and down, and it can't go backwards. If water tries to go backwards, it will vent to the atmosphere here. And so these valves are always installed above grade, and sort of just like having a backflow preventer, a little plastic built-in backflow preventer on every valve. And then what also comes with the kit is the, what is the pressure regulator on this? I think I said it was a 40, yeah, right there. Hello, Andy. 40 PSI pressure regulator, and then 150 mesh stainless steel screen filter. Let's go ahead and take this apart so you can see the screen filter that's inside. Pretty basic. You can take it out. You can clean this off with a soft bristle brush should you need to maintain it. Put that back on. Yep, and then let's see. What you can do is, I'm gonna just thread this on here for you so you can get a full view of the product completely installed. There we have it. So water, get the solenoid wires out of the way. Water is going to come up here from your main line through the anti-siphon portion, down through the filter, and then be regulated to 40 PSI as it goes into, your drip system. So again, this is actually mostly used for drip irrigation systems, but if you want to filter your water for any use, this filter will do a fine job. Let's see, if you're watching this on YouTube, please like, subscribe, drop a comment down below. And if you're watching this on sprinklersupplystore.com, you can contact us by phone, chat, email, text message. We'd be happy to help you out with any of your Hunter irrigation needs. And until the next Sprinkler Supply Store product overview, happy sprinkling. We'll talk to you then.